Next, fourth one, construct a triangle PQR with PQ equals to 7.5 centimeter, RPQ equals to 45 degree, RQP equals to 45 degree. Measure the third angle. What kind of triangle it is? So first let us draw a rough diagram, that is rough figure. So let us name it as, here what? Here base is PQ is 7.5 centimeter. So let us take base PQ is 7.5 centimeter, and next this vertex has angle R. This vertex has R. Next here RPQ, that means angle RPQ means angle P is 45 degree given, angle P is 45 degree. Next RQP means angle Q is 45 degree, angle Q is also 45 degree. So now we know the two angles. To construct a triangle we will need the two base angles and one side. So we have the side and two base angles. So let us do construction. So let us draw a base. Base is PQ is 7.5 centimeter. So let us draw a line segment. PQ is 7.5 centimeter. PQ is 7.5 centimeter. So let us do construction. Let us draw the line segment. PQ is 7.5 centimeter. PQ is 7.5. So let us name it PQ. The base PQ is 7.5 centimeter. Next, angle P is 45 degree. So we had to use here compass to construct angle 45 degree. We had to use the compass. Through compass we can construct 45 degree. See here 90, we can construct the angle 90. 90 half is 45. So first let us construct angle 90 degree. For that, place the compass at P and take convenient radius and draw the semicircle at point P. Take convenient radius, and this point you make it as, name it as X. Place the compass at X. With same radius draw the arc and name it as, this point as Y. Next, place the compass at Y. Draw the one more arc with same radius. Don't change the radius. Name it as Z. Place the compass at Z. We can change the radius or we can take the same radius. However, we can use it. Take the convenient radius or we can keep the same radius also. Draw an arc. Place the compass at Z and draw an arc. Place the compass at Y. Draw one more arc where both arc intersect. Now we got the angle of 90 degree. This first arc is 60 degree. Second arc is 120 degree. 120, 60, middle is 90 degree. So we got here 90 degree. So we want here 45 degree. No? So after getting 90 degree, half only 45. So first let us draw this 90 degree with dotted line, because we don't want the 90 degree. So where this, mark this point as A, this point of intersection as A. Next, place the compass at A and draw an arc. Take convenient radius, draw the arc and place the compass at X. Draw one more arc where both arc intersect. Draw a line. Draw a line from P. So we got now 45 degree. Now we got angle P is 45 degree. The same way we have to construct at angle Q 45 degree by using the compass. So draw the semicircle. So how much you have taken here? The radius. With same radius, let us take from Q. Draw the semicircle and cut an arc from point. This point, let us take it as M. Place the compass at M, cut one arc, and this arc is 60 degree, and name it as this point as N. M, N. Next, place the compass at N, cut one more arc, and this point is 120 degree. Name it as O. With same radius, or you can change the radius. Your convenient radius you can take. Place the compass at N and draw an arc. And place the compass at O and draw one more arc where both arc intersect. Now we got 90 degree. So draw the 90 degree with dotted line. Where 90 degree intersect on this semicircle, name it as, you can take any name, can take it as A. Now A I had taken already, so I'll take it as B, this point as B. Now place the compass at point B, draw an arc with same radius or convenient radius, draw an arc and place the compass at M, draw one more arc. Now this both the arc does not intersect. Again place the compass at B and draw an arc, place the compass at M, draw the arc. Now both the arc intersect. Now draw a line from Q. Now this angle we got, now angle Q is 45 degree. So right here angle Q is 45 degree we got. And where both these lines intersect, name it as R. This vertex as R. So we got both the angles. So now PQR is an required triangle. So measure the third angle and also the given what kind of triangle it is. So now this both the angles now 45 degree, 45 degree, then third angle we had to measure it. So we had to apply here angle sum property. So we had to apply here angle sum property to measure the angle R. So now we got angle P is 45, angle Q is 45 and angle R will be how much here? 45 plus 45 is how much here? 90 degree. So angle R will be also 90 degree because the sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So we have to write here third angle, that is PRQ. Angle PRQ is 90 degree. How we got means by applying the angle sum property. And what kind of triangle it is? So now here see both the angles are equal, 45 degree, angle P is 45 degree and angle Q is 45 degree. When both the angles are equal means what type of triangle it is? It is an isosceles triangle. So let us write triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. So we got angle R is 90 degree by applying the angle sum property. And what type of triangle they asked? So it is an isosceles triangle. So now let us solve the next one.